As you can see, the Hostinger website builder is well organized, making it easy to understand and work with. Every element you click on will provide you with the necessary tools to edit it. For instance, if you click on a text, you can edit it, hide or show it, duplicate it or delete it. Likewise, if you select a section, you can modify its image, move it up or down, and perform other actions. To add a new section, simply click on Add Section, and you will have access to all the available sections you may need. This drag and drop editing style is intuitive and particularly beneficial for beginners. If you wish to change the template, navigate to Website Manager, click on the three dots next to your website, and then select Change Template. It's important to note that any work done on the previous template will not transfer to the new one. However, you can always revert back to the previous template along with its associated work using the backups.